Hello girls, how many of you do suffer with menstrual pain or menstrual cramp? Well, if you don't know, let me tell you that around menstrual pain affects 20% of women. In this video today, we are going to discuss about menstrual pain. Menstrual pain and cramps are literally too bad. Oof. The pain can be so devastating that more often you end up missing college, office, work or fun activities in favor of stucking miserably in your home. Since period is going to come every month, so it is very important to figure out an effective strategy for controlling the menstrual pain rather than crying every month. I am sharing some tips which can be very useful in handling the menstrual pain or menstrual cramps. Putting a hot water bag on the lower belly, just below your belly button, can help in dissipating the pain. Believe it or not, there are specific yoga poses which can relieve menstrual cramps. The poses are the cobra and the bow pose. These poses target the pelvis and the lumbar region, two muscular groups that often bear the brunt of soreness and tension during period pain. Can you resist yourself from coffee cups? It is really difficult thought, but eliminating caffeine from your diet will help alleviate menstrual pain. See, caffeine constricts your blood levels and raises tension. When you're suffering from cramps, you want the opposite to happen. Drinking water and herbal tea instead will help and will also help relieve bloating that may occur during the period. Exercise is a great support as it helps in increasing blood flow and release of endorphins and make period less painful. The best form of exercise for relieving menstrual pain is aerobic exercise. Any exercise which is simple and makes your heart rate up, like brisk walking, biking and swimming. Walking for 45 minutes at a step up from a leisurely pace can ease menstrual cramping and even making your period lighter. Even intensive aerobic exercise like running on a treadmill can also give you a lighter experience for that monthly annoyance. Always follow appropriate intimate hygiene practice. Wash your vagina daily with Everteen Natural Intimate Wash. Washing vagina with Everteen Natural Intimate Wash during menstruation cycle or period is more important, as it will help you maintain hygiene around intimate area. Everteen Natural Intimate Wash will also help in reducing bad vaginal odor or vaginal irritation, vaginal itching. Never apply soaps to wash your vagina as it can cause vaginal infection, nor you should use chemical-based wash or shampoo as vaginal wash. Everteen Natural Intimate Wash is formulated with natural extracts and hence safe to use. If you are a traveling woman, then keep Everteen Natural Intimate wipes with you and avoid using public toilets. There is absolutely no reason for you to suffer intensely each month, so work with some good plan for reducing the menstrual pain or consult your doctor to find the best solution for you. For feminine hygiene products, you can always trust Everteen. If you want to try it today, you can order Everteen Natural Intimate Wash from the site of Everteen, that is www.everteen.co.in, or you can also buy from your favorite online store like Amazon, Flipkart, Snapdeal, Nykaa, Purple, Big Basket, Paytm, Shopclues or any other. Everteen, the complete feminine intimate hygiene expert.